Want to know the secret to glowing skin? It's simpler than you might think. Today, we're uncovering the power of daily home remedies for that coveted glow. With nature's bounty at your fingertips, you can improve your skin's health and enhance its appearance, all from the comfort of your own home. From the humble lemon to the mighty aloe vera, these remedies are all natural, effective, and most importantly, kind to your skin. If you're ready to transform your skin, let's dive into these amazing home remedies. First up, we have the lemon and honey mask. This beauty marvel harnesses the power of two natural ingredients, each with their own unique benefits. Honey is a natural humectant, which means it helps your skin retain moisture. It's also packed with antioxidants that fight off skin-damaging free radicals. Now let's talk lemon. The citrusy superstar acts as a natural exfoliant, gently removing dead skin cells to reveal fresh, radiant skin underneath. It's also rich in vitamin C, a vital ingredient for collagen production. Ready to whip up your own mask? It's simple. Combine 2 tablespoons of raw honey with 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Mix it well. Apply this concoction to your face, let it sit for 15 minutes, then rinse with warm water. This mask can be used once or twice a week. And there you have it, a simple yet effective remedy for glowing skin. Next on our list is the miraculous aloe vera gel. This wonder plant has been celebrated for centuries, not just for its hydrating qualities, but also for its soothing properties. To extract the gel, simply slice an aloe vera leaf into half and scoop out the gel with a spoon. It's that straightforward. Now, to apply it, you can either use it directly on your skin or mix it with a little bit of water for a smoother application. Spread it gently and allow it to soak in. The gel is packed with antioxidants, enzymes, and vitamins A and C. It's not just hydrating, but also highly anti-inflammatory. These properties can help treat burns, acne, and dry skin, contributing to a radiant glow. Want to up the ante? You can even mix the aloe vera gel with a bit of honey for added nourishment. Remember to rinse it off after 20 to 30 minutes. Aloe vera gel, a nature's gift for your skin. Our third remedy is the turmeric and yogurt mask. This simple yet potent combination is a powerhouse of skin-loving ingredients. Let's dive right into it. Start by taking a tablespoon of yogurt rich in lactic acid, which helps to hydrate and soothe your skin. It also contains probiotics that can diminish the appearance of blemishes and redness. To this, add a teaspoon of turmeric. Turmeric is known for its anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce acne and other skin concerns. It also boasts of skin brightening benefits, giving your skin a healthy, radiant glow. Mix these 2 ingredients well until you get a smooth paste. Apply this paste evenly across your face, avoiding the eye area. Let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing it off with lukewarm water. Regular use of this mask can lead to significant improvements in your skin's health and appearance. Turmeric and yogurt mask, your secret weapon for a radiant glow. So those were some of the easiest and effective home remedies for glowing skin. Let's take a quick stroll down memory lane, shall we? First, we explored the wonders of the lemon and honey mask. This dynamic duo isn't just good in a cup of tea, but also works magic on your skin. Remember, it's the citric acid in lemon that helps to brighten and exfoliate your skin, while honey brings in the much-needed moisture and antibacterial properties. A combination that's as sweet as it is effective. Next, we dived into the world of aloe vera gel. This plant isn't just a pretty face, it's full of benefits for your skin too. Aloe vera is packed with antioxidants, enzymes, vitamins A and C, and it's highly anti-inflammatory. It can help treat burns, acne, and dry skin, and the best part, it's probably sitting in a pot on your kitchen windowsill. Then we took a trip to the spice rack with the turmeric and yogurt mask. Turmeric isn't just a staple in your curry, it's a staple in skincare too. It contains curcumin, a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory that can lighten pigmentation, even out skin tone, and give you that much desired glow. Paired with yogurt, which has lactic acid that helps dissolve dead skin and tighten pores, it's a powerhouse of a mask. But remember, consistency is key. You can't expect to wake up with glowing skin after one application. No, it's about incorporating these remedies into your daily routine. It's about taking a few minutes out of your day every day to take care of your skin. It's about treating your skin with the love and respect it deserves. So, are you ready to glow? Are you ready to put your best face forward? Are you ready to say goodbye to dull, lifeless skin and hello to a complexion that radiates health and beauty? Well, the power is in your hands. These remedies are simple, effective, and waiting for you in your kitchen. Try these remedies and see the change for yourself. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more beauty tips and tricks. Until next time, keep glowing.